Here it is, National Dog Day 2014. So I decided to give Ziggy a ball that he got from a very special Bouvier that's no longer with us. And he gave it to him when Ziggy was just a little puppy. And today I thought was a good day to bring it out since Ziggy's big enough to play with it now, and he seems to really be enjoying it. We just put up this kennel dog run for the winter so that both the dogs will be able to come out here and play off of our deck. So we just kind of did a makeshift, but it's working out really great. We kind of attached it to our deck here. And here's kind of what it looks like. Ziggy, bring it! Bring it! Ziggy, bring it! Okay, soccer pup. Good boy!